James Lee's fighting style is built on one principle: effortless dominance. He doesn't rush, he doesn't panic, and he doesn't waste a single movement. To fight like him in real life, you must train calmness, precision, timing, and control. Start with the mind. James Lee is unreadable because he is calm. Slow breathing, relaxed shoulders, and steady expression make you unpredictable. A calm fighter sees everything more clearly than someone fighting with emotion. Next is posture. James Lee keeps his stance narrow, relaxed, and upright. Not tense, not stiff, just balanced. This posture lets him explode, pivot, or counter with zero delay. Now train footwork. James Lee moves only as much as he needs. Practice small steps, angle cuts, slips, and pivots. Stay close enough to react but far enough to avoid unnecessary danger. Minimal movement creates maximum efficiency. Add timing. James Lee doesn't throw random strikes, he waits for the perfect moment. Train reaction, counters, slip and hit drills, and delayed timing shots. Timing beats speed, strength, and aggression. Work on precision. Every James Lee strike lands exactly where it needs to. Practice clean form, straight punches, tight hooks, compact uppercuts, and quick jabs. Your movements should be sharp, accurate, and controlled. Improve close-range control. James Lee excels at fighting in tight space. Use short steps, shoulder bumps, guard taps, and small slips to create openings. Short-range technique gives you total control over the exchange. Build explosive power. James Lee generates force without big motions. Use rotation, body alignment, and tight mechanics. Explosive push-ups, fast punches, and core rotation drills create sudden, dangerous power. Train reading ability. James Lee predicts movement by watching shoulders, hips, and breath. Study body language. Learn what telegraphs an attack. A fighter who can read intentions controls the entire fight. Finally, master efficiency. James Lee wastes nothing. Every motion must have purpose. No big swings, no unnecessary gestures, no overreactions. Efficiency creates the illusion of effortless strength. If you train calmness, posture, footwork, timing, precision, close-range control, and efficient mechanics, you will learn the real-life version of James Lee's elite fighting style. Calm, sharp, unshakable, and always in control. Move with intention, strike with precision, fight with intelligence,